Have a stereo system safely shipped. Electronics are fragile equipment that needs special care and handling. When shipping a stereo system, for example, you simply cannot stuff it in a box for shipping. Parts of the stereo system can break off. If someone mishandles the box housing the stereo system, the parts inside the stereo can get damaged. You have to carefully when packing the stereo system to make sure that it reaches its destination in one piece. To avoid having to bring in the stereo system for repair or losing your income in case you are sending it to a buyer, follow the instructions below in safely shipping your stereo system. Materials: shipping box, bubble wrap, packing tape, marker, packing peanuts. Optional. Instructions separate the different components. The stereo system should be disassembled in case there are parts that are attached together. All connectors and wires should be detached and looped individually, then tied with a twisty or secured with a rubber band. Tighten fixtures and screws. This is an important step to prevent them from falling off during transport. Check and tighten any other parts that are loose. Wrap the components. Use bubble wrap in individually wrapping each part of the stereo system, including the cords, wires and remote control. Make sure to envelop each part with the bubble wrap at least twice. For the main component itself, the actual stereo, wrap it in at least 3 layers. The sides, top, and bottom should be well protected. Secure the bubble wrap with packaging tape in areas where the bubble wrap may inadvertently open or are loose. Place the stereo components in a shipping box. Ideally, the box that you should use is the original box of the stereo system. Otherwise, buy a sturdy box that can fit the main component and its other parts snugly. As much as possible, there should be no empty space left in the box once the components are inside. In case there is still space in the shipping box, stuff the spaces with extra bubble wrap. You can also use packing peanuts in filling the spaces. Check the box and its contents. Before you seal the shipping box, shake it to the left and to the right for a while. If you find the contents moving about, add more bubble wrap or packing peanuts to the box. The idea is for the stereo system components not to move even if the box is shaking. Seal the box. Use packing tape to seal the box cover. You can further secure the box by taping the whole width and length of the box. Mark the box. Write this side up on at least 2 sides of the box. Make sure to draw arrows pointing upwards. Also write handle with care on the sides. Use a dark, bold marker for writing. Tips: if you still have the original styrofoam packaging materials for the stereo system, use these for packing the stereo. In case you are using several boxes for shipping, you may want to write down on the outside of the box what part or component each box contains. Send a box via UPS, FedEx, or DHL. To lessen the transport time, choose express mail or priority delivery. A stereo system should be packed carefully prior to shipping. This is to ensure that the components are received in one piece and in working condition. Bubble wrap, packing tape, a marker, and a sturdy box are all you need to ship a stereo system to its destination.